Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to set up a VPS and email server and even configure the Postfix Dovecot, DKIM DMARC, DMARC and SPF. So today it's very easy to set up a VPS, set up a web server and go online with it, but one of the problem is how to set up an email server, because set up an email server with Postfix Dovecot and DKIM without having the right knowledge, there could be a big problem. You know, all your spam is go to spam, all your mails will go to spam. But we are going to use a third application and it will do everything for us. So we take it from scratch. First I'm gonna use the simple SSH. There's two version of this application. Is a paid and free. So the free one, it doesn't have this kind of option of automatically configure the email server like Postfix Dovecot. So I go to the paid one. I'm gonna go to WordPress and just download, but I did download earlier, so I don't want to download it again. It'll be something like this. So let me first, after download it, will be a zip file, and just go to extract all, and we are looking inside. We'll have two jar file, simple SSH desktop. So this application was made in Java, so you could run it on PC, Mac, Windows, Linux, and on any platform what support the Java. The second one, we need to download Java. So there is a documentation how to run simple SSH on Mac or PC or Ubuntu. So the second one is go to upload the JDK. Just you have to upload the Java for the right version for your PC, Mac or Linux. You could go to the Oracle. Oracle is a company. Actually, the Java is very popular today. It's used for the banks, governments. It's not using. I mean, they control it. The Java, they use it for their projects. So if you go online for for the banks websites or banks application, or or the government application, you know that some of them may be built in Java. So it is trust. You can trust it. As you could go to OpenJDK or Java from Oracle. It doesn't matter. Actually, Java is Java. So is programming language. And let's say I'm gonna go for Windows and download the exe, and after install it, it will go. After download it, you'll see something like this. So a window, a JDK, you just click on it and install, just next, and after go to the simple SSH and double click on it, wait until it's loaded, and there we are. The second one, it say the login, first login and password. By default, login and password will be admin as login. The second step, we go to the app users, which actually you can add more users. You can change your password, and you cannot delete the first one. I mean, you could add the new one, but let's say, let's call it me, and let's go 123, add the user. Okay, now I got the option to delete which one I want. So I may delete this one. I don't need it. So when I go exit, I just me and the password 123 and login. I will save, and you see the second one we need to add the SSH connection. So I'm gonna add new one. This is my IP. I'm gonna connect with the IP. If you use Amazon, the Amazon will give you something like the DS and dash between and say avc point Amazon and like this. So you just enter it here. After that, you just sorry, you enter the username. Of course, not my username. You enter username for your VPS. My one is root, and the password. So if you use some of the VPS you bought from anywhere, they'll give you some kind of file. Choose the PIM one and open the PIM file and just paste everything inside the PIM file. You paste here, and don't forget to this is one of the most important thing is to add the MySQL user, because when set up the email server we need a MySQL. So my one is root. Of course you'll be different, and because I got fresh installation, so I don't have any password for the MySQL at the moment, but I'm gonna go with the password. If you wanna go to PIM, just paste the inside of PIM file here and leave the password empty. So add the new account now. Okay, and let me check it. After that you go to installation, check. We see nothing installed. So first one, we need to install the night, zip, bind, MySQL, DNS utils. Yes, we need it. Charbot, Java JDK, I don't think so. PHP I need for Roundcube, VSFTP, don't. Postfix Dovecot, this is for the email server, and we may install the mailutils and file banner for IP table. This will need for security. I will strictly recommend, if you run an online web servers, to use this file to ban IP table system. Because today at the moment there are a lot of bots and they try to access your try to connect to your VPS by some kind of ports. Let's call it the same Rufus. So first let's install night. It takes a bit longer, the installation. I just connected to some kind. I created some kind of Gmail account to test the email server, and yes, first one done. The second one install. Zip, we actually need the zip for unzip, zip for let's say when I upload zip is done. Bind 9, yes, I need bind 9 because I connect my VPS to my domain by name server. So if your domain support the child name server, you just go and create child name server. Just enter like this. Where is the child name server? Enters your IP, and IP, not your home IP, which is your VPS IP, and you enter the ns1 point your domain.com, and for the second one ns2, the same IP. If you got two IP, that's good. You enter the second IP, but you need a big configuration, so you just go with one. ns2, ns1, and after go to name server in your domain and just add this ns1 your domain, ns2 your domain, just change. Okay, bind. So bind, I need to control my DNS for my server on my VPS. So I think I did install it. Yes, I did previously install it. I need MySQL. Yes, MySQL I need uh, for email server, also for Roundcube, and because the email server actually work with MySQL. When I add some new email and password, everything is go to the MySQL database. Okay, this one is taking a bit longer, but it's done. DNS utils install later, but I need it. Cherbot. Cherbot, you need to let's encrypt SSL. Of course, if you want to use the free SSL, you can be free to use your own SSL, but I'm going to the free one. Let's encrypt. And I will still Java later. I'm still I will still need the PHP for the Roundcube because it's running on PHP. The PHP is taking a bit longer to install it, but don't worry, it will install faster. If you wanna see what's going on the backend, see how the application is going, you have the logs files, so install zip, tar, install night, install bind, 9bind utils, and also if you install bind 9bind utils, you install automatically DNS utils. So you will need DNS utils. And the second one, sudo UF. Yes, okay, this was allowed to bind 9 and port 53. Okay. This will go to configuration. Okay, and this. Okay, this will be all the. Okay, the PHP said it's done, and I'm gonna install all of them. Postfix Dovecot, DKIM SPF DMARC. So when installing, let's say my domain name at the moment is it's funny self.com because it's not connected to, so it's not SSS, so it's funny self. Okay, and this one is taking also a bit longer to install it. We could see everything on side. What is going on? No intro advanced set selection, postfix, postmaltis, and internet site. Okay, we see this internet site. This is the option. We go right now. We are on okay, sudo update and post field mile name string find itself. Okay, the domain. Actually do everything for you, it's just on this step is now postfix MySQL, postfix MySQL, Dovecot core, Dovecot emap, Dovecot pop, 3D Dovecot, and also DNS utils. All right, see, oh, that was fast. Check. Okay, also DNS utils, and we also have post SRSD. This is for redirect, when you redirect the email to your account that you need it. So just for redirect. If you don't use the redirect, you may just use don't use it, but doesn't matter. Well, the second step is the domain. So I'm gonna add my domain, find itself, proxy, just simple domain name, like say find itself, and that's it. This will be directory, add new domain. and after that I will need to edit the name, the DNS, set up the DNS for my domain because it's managed on my VPS. Like I said before, also okay, domain added. That's cool, bro. Second step, we see no name server, no DNS, no nothing. So I'm gonna IP automatically take this IP, NS1, NS2. Oh, it's pretty smart. So automatically set everything NS1, NS2 for my domain. I just need to add the rules like A, MX, mile, okay, and I need text, okay, even I'll need to change this to quarantine. I don't know if it's right. So after that, just press update changes. Oh, even the SWAR echoes. Okay, it's set everything. Don't forget to restart the bin 9. And domain. Okay, domain. I will still need to install the let's encrypt SSL, say mail support at funnelsl.com. Let me see if you allow me to. Let me check if how it's going on. Forbidden. Okay, here we go. Okay, successfully received, deployed. Oh, that's fine. Everything is cool. So now I go SSL. You need SSL for the email server. The second step is firewall. Yes, enable firewall for your VPS. Why do you need a firewall for your VPS? Trust me, you need it. And we need to add all the ports for the mail server. Just allow them all. Actually, firewall it control the, if someone try to hack your server and try to connect some kind of ports. So when you actually firewall it off, all the ports is open for the public, so we are not online, and the firewall just close some of the posts, and let's say someone try to connect to UDP by UDP to this 25 port number, it is blocked, so they could not connect. Keep in mind, don't forget about the firewall. This is very important. Keep in mind the bin 9, and the next, let's say, okay, and the second one is email. So at the moment we have no emails. For the emails configuration, configure the email server. So what we need, you need to go to SSH connection, go to your SSH connection and set the root MySQL username and the database. And well, at the moment you could now go to database users, get, and we see we go to open DMARC, and we need to add this, change the password. I'm not gonna do it, I'll leave it like this until later. I'll change the password later. If you change the password, just copy this password and press OK. I'm not gonna do it. Go to SSH connection, click on your SSH connection and enter the password here and just click update. So that's it. So I'm going to email server and I'm going to configure my email server. So I need, what I need this for, I need just one click and it will configure everything, Are you sure? Absolutely sure. Go ahead, man. You enter the domain for your server. Okay, let me copy. Okay, find itself. Don't forget to enter the main domain for your server. the domain. When you set up a VPS, you set up a domain name. So let's wait for a while. Okay, see, okay, it's look like all done. Give a try and see. Ah, well, let me give a try. Well, I say info at fun itself, and let me enter this password, and just email. You could choose forward, you could do just email, so I need just email and see it. And I need one. Okay, oh, that's it. So second step is let's test the DNS and see what is going on. It's taking a while, don't forget. So DKIM, your DKIM did not match with your DNS. Okay, we do not have DKIM. Oops. So we got RDNS, we got DMARC, we got SPF, and we got MX server, MX. So okay, let's set up DKIM. So you could regenerate DKIM key, but when you press the configure mail server, it will generate for you automatically. Get text, txt. Okay, we got everything here. I'm gonna go to the new tab and press on domains, show data, get data, and then go to DNS. I go to text record, and I need to add one more text. So this is copy the mail. Okay, and copy this one, copy, paste, add. If you do not have these three records, so you need to add. Let me try this one. Okay, where do you can control your DNS? DNS you could control on your domain also. If you did not set up a child name server, but you connected your VPS with your domain by a record, you go to the same DNS and add don't forget to add the MX record, like mile, find mile your domain. Priority 10 and just leave empty. Add these 4 records, but you actually added this one. So if you did connect with your VPS NS1 NS2, it automatically will be there, and not just add the star. That means all the subdomain will be pointed to this name server and mile, and don't forget about mile. So you need these 4 records. MX record necessary, text record, and don't forget about to be DMARC, DKey. So I need to go to the SWA and increase 2, and after that don't forget to push update changes. Okay, restore bind. Okay, and we go back to test the DNS. Okay, here we go. So everything is done. Okay, we can move forward. The second one, I'm going to domains, and let's say cube.financial.com. I need to set up the cube.financial.com because I need to send a few test emails, so and see, check if my mail server is working properly fine. Add the subdomain, so I'm gonna enter this one, say welcome, but you could change this one. I'll show you what to do it. Let's wait until the subdomain is added, so let me check it, what the loads do. Okay. Let me update. Okay, and go to file manager. Oh, this is the best file manager I have worked. So this is SSH file manager. Go to cube, public HTML, and just go to Roundcube, and just go to download and just download this one. I already downloaded it, on it download now. I do have it. Oh no, I didn't. I need to download Roundcube download. It's free. I don't know, I could use it, but you also could okay, so okay, and now I need to copy Roundcube to my server. Here is the process of uploading the zip file to my web server. So cube, we need this one. Let me check. Nothing. Okay, extract. There is no any option, just extract it. I'll delete it later, so I delete, I don't need it. I'll wait until it's done. Okay, go to this app, cut public, go back and just paste. Okay, we copy installer and we go to see what's going on. Okay, installer. It's actually MySQL. Okay, next, support URL. Okay, we need to set up MySQL connection. Database, we need to add a new database. Just get database. Okay, we need some like email, like Roundcube. Just keep it. Just you can use your own name. Don't forget to all privileges. Okay, I'm gonna copy before Roundcube, and this DB prefix don't have is 993 username. Okay, I think it's let's create just take a while. Go to emails and we go info, and it says SMTP/TLS. No, this is for IMAP. For IMAP we need SSL, and we need this for SMTP and port 587. This is for SMTP. Okay, and language DNS elastic. Okay, archive file is the backend storage branch and bug login. For the system identity, new user dialog, new user, reconnect to server for several attempts, user info, virtual user query, zip download it. And well, just create it. Oh, I'll say create it. So the next one, okay, the config file saved successful intro. Okay, continue. Let me check it. File itself. Okay, Roundcube, and yeah, don't forget to check DB connection in the database. And let me go to, and we will go to, not this one. Okay, we'll go to my info, go to info, Roundcube, and the password, and this set up this one password. So copy and try to log in. Save. Boom. Info. Save. Okay, compose. Let's say, let's send them to info at server airbag gateway. I don't know. Info at funnyself.com. Test, send. Okay. I'm waiting for sending the message. It's taking a bit longer. File manager, I'm going to slightly modify the postfix main. Main, we go, and I think this is the one of the problem. Let me make a duplicate, and we just comment this line, take this that filter, save changes. So alright, I guess I don't need that one. Roundcube, let's say we got new email. Okay, let me check the headers. Okay, we got DKIM signature, we got, and we also got this one, and let's say, let me go to service and show all service, and just go to postfix service. Don't forget to restart your postfix server, and DKIM and restore. So let me send a new email, compose to test mail, and just send. Oh, Right now we're good to go. So you know how to do it. And next step, what I wanted to do is I need to be able to have a link on the internet so I could now connect if in case I want to change the password from my email, I will do something else, try to file manager, do file manager. I need to have a link online, so I'm gonna install let's say domain. Let's say you enter ACD, you enter the hide link acd.findmyself.com, and I'm gonna use a Java domain, a proxy. Proxy will be this one, a proxy, because keep in mind, sorry, proxy, but how the proxy is looking? It's looking like this. I don't think so. Oh, well, let me see. ACD, you keep in mind, try to keep more complicated, like you could add more like this, so no one could know about this link. So this will be just for you. And but okay, 3DW, and go to file manager, and var, no, go to var 3W, ACD, public HTML. Okay, and after I go to simple SSH and push my server. I'm gonna upload this to show you detail. Oh, that is the good stuff. You could create, add new file name. Don't forget save changes. I don't need it. We will wait until everything is done. It's taking a while. How big is this file? It's 32 megabyte. I got slow connection to the internet. I'm using my Wi-Fi dongle, so slow. Okay, rename simple SSH and var. Let me go to this one, service, and sorry, I forget the Java install. Let me install the JDK21. How it's going? Let me wait until. You could keep this as portable, so you could have the link. You could keep it on the folder. Just do not share with no one. This file, keep it secret. Do not share to no one, because here is the password for your SSH here. But yes, it is encrypted. It is it have a password. So if someone don't know the password for this file, okay, copy full path. Okay, copy. Okay, and we go to service. Let's first install the JDK21. Install. taking a while. It's taking longer to install Java. So let me see the logs. Install OpenJDK21. Okay, alright. Check. Okay, Java 21. It's fantastic. We'll go to service and I'm gonna, yes, just copy full path, console, tags, we go again, we go to service and path to your jar, okay, var, and I need path to property, application point properties. I don't think I do have an application this file. Well, let me do some magic point. Point zip, not to be able to open the, go to bot info, lib, we see libs, don't need this lib, and we need this one. So copy, and I'm going back again, and I'll push this one to the server. And okay, this is fast. Let me check what's inside of this. Oh, alright, I see. Just simple config. There's the port 9211. You could change the port. This is the key pass. Okay, I'm gonna change this key pass like YouTube. Okay, and this is the A. Just keep this key pass secret, don't share it to no one, and you have to change it, this default one. Save change, and okay, copy the full path. Okay, and oh, sorry. Let's say simple SSH. Oh, simple SSH. You could enter any name without space. Simple SSH description. Okay, online SSH manager, and let me add okay, added. Show your, okay, I'm getting simple SSH, and let me loaded active. Oh, it is loaded now active. I didn't know. Simple SSH. Oh, alright. It should be on this link. Oh, everything is done. Let's say go to admin. Okay, why not? Well, let me see what is the problem, and I will go to console and try again. And well, the problem is we have been blocked by our backend and say that we cannot send any requests from this front end. So we need to add our link like a trusted source, and we just copy the link and go to application property, edit, change this line after equal, enter your domain name, subdomain name of your control panel. I have to go again to the services and restart our service and wait for a while until it's loaded. Will not take longer to load to see the changes. Take about 10-20 seconds and try to update and see if it's all good. Yes, it's online, and try to enter again. Well, the next step is to change the passwords for the admin. This is most important because we are online, so we do not want anyone to log in by admin to access our backend. Well, don't need this one. Try to add new SSH connection. You enter the login, password, login. Yes, we need the login to the mail servers. Okay, not now. And well, we're good to go. Let me check if it's all good. Yes, we are good. And let me see the emails. Yes, we also pardon me, we also see the emails. Well, now I have the link online, and now we need to change the data. So let me add new user. Let's say I don't know what kind of username I could enter, and let's say admin123, and well, I'm thinking it's quite hard, to change the choose a username. Well, let admin123. Let me enter some kind of difficult password because this is online, so I need safety. Add. Okay. And let me save the password. Let me remove my admin user, and of course well,